Most people use Rakuten completely wrong. They shop online like normal, forget to activate cashback, then wonder why they earned absolutely nothing. But here's the truth, no one tells you. Rakuten can save you serious money if you understand one simple system before you buy anything online. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to get cashback using Rakuten in 2026, how the app actually works, and the easiest way to maximize your rewards without changing your shopping habits. Let's get straight into it. Rakuten is a cashback platform that partners with major stores like Walmart, Macy's, Nike, Best Buy, and thousands more. Instead of earning points, you earn real cashback from purchases made through Rakuten links. Here's the basic process. First, create a free Rakuten account. Then, before shopping online, open the Rakuten app or website and search for the store you want. Click the cashback link. Complete your purchase normally, and Rakuten tracks the order automatically. Sounds simple, right? But here is where most people fail. They forget to activate cashback before checkout. If you visit the store directly without using Rakuten first, you may earn nothing. For example, Alex wanted new headphones from Best Buy. He opened Rakuten first, clicked the store link, and earned cashback on the same purchase he was already planning to make. That's the entire idea behind Rakuten. You're not spending extra money. You're earning money back on normal shopping. Now here's where it gets interesting. Cashback rates constantly change. One day, a store may offer 2% cashback. During special events, that same store might jump to 10% or higher. Smart users wait for boosted cashback periods before buying expensive items. In a minute, I'll show you the easiest trick to never forget cashback again. Before that, let's talk about payment methods. Rakuten usually pays through PayPal or physical check, depending on your region. Payments are normally sent every few months once your account reaches the minimum payout threshold. But here's the problem. Some purchases don't qualify. Gift cards, coupon codes from outside websites, or canceled orders can sometimes remove cashback eligibility. Always read the store terms carefully before checking out. Now the easiest trick. Install the Rakuten browser extension. This is huge. Instead of remembering to open Rakuten manually, the extension automatically alerts you when cashback is available on a website. Jake forgot cashback constantly until he installed the extension. After that, he started earning rewards almost passively. Another smart strategy is stacking. Some users combine Rakuten cashback with credit card rewards and store sales. That means one purchase can trigger multiple layers of savings at the same time. So here's the bottom line. Rakuten is one of the easiest cashback tools available if you already shop online regularly. The key is activating offers before buying and watching for boosted cashback events. If this video helped you, hit like, subscribe, and comment below with the biggest cashback reward you've ever earned online. And I'll see you in the next one.